Alright guys, so first off, please excuse me, I'm a little stopped up. This is the Chapter 6 Lesson 1 video. We're going to be placing multiple images with the place command. The first thing we want to do is make sure our content grabber is hidden. So you can go up to View, go down to Extras, and right here just make sure it says Show Content Grabber. If it doesn't, just click where it says Hide. And then the next step, you're also going to make sure that your link bridge is hidden. So mine is. So those two things are already done, and so I'm just going to open up 6-1. So I'm going to say close, and you're going to save this file, save as, multiple placements. Alright, and then we're going to push save. I'm getting this, you won't get this, so just go with it. Alright. So the next thing you want to do is you want to get your selection tool, and you're going to click this large frame right here. And then we're going to go to File and Place, File, Place, and we're going to go to our Chapter 6 folder, which is this one right here. Let's scroll down to Photography. And then in this photography thing, there's all these different pictures. We're going to click on them in a certain order. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to click on Cornigula, or however you pronounce that word accurately, and you're going to press down Command. And then you're going to click on David, Divers, Sheets, Fauna, and then you're going to click Dusk. Alright, so then we're going to press Open, and you'll see that I have 6 items loaded on my content place folder. When I press my right arrow key, it will go through all of those, and so I just went through them, and I'm going to back up my original. Alright, so now we're going to click on the large blue frame, which is this one right here. And then we're going to place the other 5 images that are left right here into these little frames right here. This little yellow frame. So we're going to click, 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 do. Okay, so all of those are there. So now we're going to select all these frames. Alright, and we're going to go to Object, Fitting, and then Fill Frame Proportionally. Okay, this will position these images in a frame so that it resembles this right here. Alright, when you get to this step, just File, Save. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to go to pages 4 through 5. So I'm on pages 4 through 5 right here. And I'm going to zoom in, actually. Ooh, maybe I don't want to zoom that much. Alright, so I'm on pages 4 through 5. And I'm going to collapse all my open panels except for my tools panel, which is over on the right. So those are all collapsed. Alright. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click Window and go to Mini Bridge. So Window, and you're going to click Mini Bridge. And I lost my mini bridge. Alright, so the version of CC that we use for InDesign no longer has mini bridge. It's been outdated, and therefore it's been removed. So what we're going to do instead of following the instructions right here is we are going to just click right here, and we're going to go to File, Place, just like we did a second ago. And the first image that we're going to click is the Menorah, this one. Manarola. Alright, and then we're going to push Command down, and we're going to click Bird's Eye, Boats, Launch, 3 Houses, and Window. Alright, and then you're going to click Open, and so those are going to be, all 6 of those images are now loaded onto my little icon right here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to place our Manarola, which is this big one, into the big frame. Alright. And we're actually going to go to this one right here, and we're going to put this one here. Okay. And then we're going to do the remaining 5 at the top of the page, so right here. Alright. And then we're going to select all of these. And we're going to go to fill frame proportionally. Alright. Okay, so you're going to save your work, file save, and you're going to close. And that is in, well actually, this open one, before you close it, do a screenshot of spread pages 4 through 5 right here. And that is what I want for assignment chapter 5, lesson 1.